How to see Reels history on Facebook. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to see Reels history on Facebook. So first is you have to go to your Play Store and type in Facebook. Now, if you'll see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. As you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Facebook application is updated. Now, if it's updated, we can now go to our tutorial. So all you have to do is to go to your application, your Facebook application, and it will lead you here to your home page. And then on the upper right, you will see the three dash lines there. You tap on that, and you will see the settings icon beside the search icon, so you just tap on that, and then under the preference section you'll see various of options. All you have to do is to tap on your time on Facebook here. Now it will lead you here, so all you have to do is to see your time, to see how much time you're spending on Facebook. So you'll tap on see time. Now you will see here the activity log, see activity log, and then you have to search on groups, events, and reels. So just tap on view groups, events, and reels, and it will lead you here. You could see all your reels history on Facebook here. So basically that is how you see reels history on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you very much.